In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download attachments from Yahoo Mail. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on any modern web browser. Start by opening your browser of choice like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and press Enter. You can also type the address directly if you prefer, but searching works just fine. When the results appear, look for the official Yahoo Mail link. Make sure the web address points to a legitimate Yahoo domain before you click, so you know you're signing in safely. Click the first official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. Here, enter your email address and password to log in. If you use two-step verification, complete that as prompted. If you're on a shared or public computer, leave the Stay Signed In option unchecked for security. Once you're in your inbox, open the email that contains the attachment you want. If you have a lot of messages, use the search bar at the top to find the sender or subject line more quickly. Messages with attachments often show a small paperclip icon, which is a helpful visual cue. Inside the email, scroll if needed to locate the attachment. It's usually displayed below the message body, and you'll typically see a file name, an icon, and sometimes a small preview thumbnail for images or PDFs. Move your mouse pointer over the attachment or its icon. When you hover, additional options should appear. On most browsers, you'll see a few quick actions, such as previewing the file or saving it. Click the download icon, which looks like a downward arrow. This tells your browser to save the file to your computer. Some browsers may briefly show a confirmation at the bottom or top of the window and a progress indicator if the file is large. If your browser is set to ask where to save files, you may see a prompt to choose a location. Otherwise, it will save automatically. By default, your file will go to the Downloads folder on your computer. On Windows, you can open File Explorer and select Downloads from the sidebar. On a Mac, open Finder and look for the Downloads folder there. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's recent downloads list to verify it completed successfully. That's all there is to it. You opened Yahoo Mail, signed in, found the message, hovered over the attachment, clicked the download arrow, and retrieved the file from your Downloads folder. Remember to only download attachments from trusted sources and keep your antivirus software up to date for added safety.